Assalamualaikum upper KG class. How are you all? I hope you are fine. Yes beta. Happy Friday to all my dear students. Yes beta, this is our maths period and we are going to start our work. First of all, write down your date. What is the day today? Today is Friday 16th April 2021 and our topic is color the tall things. Okay beta, open your maths workbook. Look here, this is our maths workbook and open your page number 6 and 7. Yes, upper KG class, before we are going to start our work, I will show you some tall and short things to clear the concept of tall and short. Okay beta, look here, this bottle is tall and this bottle is short. Is it clear? This bottle is tall and this one is short. This pencil is tall and this one is short. Okay beta. Now open your workbook so that we can easily do the page number 6 and 7. Yes beta, write down short date over here, that is 16.4.21 and our topic is color the tall things. Okay beta, look here, here are some tall things and some short things. Look here, is it tall? No. Is it tall? No. These are short things. And look here, here are some tall things. This giraffe is tall. This scale is tall. Flag is also tall. This one is short. No, this one is also long. Let's count how many long things we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we have 4 long things. How many long things? We have 4 long things. Okay beta, you have to color these long things. Okay, now come to the page number 7. Write down short date over here and topic is color the same height. Here are different people over here, man, then woman, then one kid over here, one girl is over here. You have to match the same height. The height of this man is equal to this one? No. This one? No. This one? Yes. The height of this girl is equal to this man. So that you have to color this girl and this man. Okay. Now come to the next one. The height of this boy, the height of this girl is equal to this one? No. This one? No. Yes. The height of this girl is equal to this boy. Yes beta, the height of this girl is equal to this boy. Okay, you have to color these two pictures. Okay, in this way you have to complete this page. Okay, thank you very much.